Okay, आंखें बंद.
हो गया. I'm done.
And now I can. Okay, what is this? I don't need like self it. And can you? My crew is laughing at me.
Nothing new.
Acha, so this is complete war. Fine. So let's talk about Atif. You love life. Why don't you want to fall in love?
I fall in love every other single minute.
This is the most honest interview I've ever had. You know, usually say, "नहीं यार, busy काम में और time नहीं होता ये वो." Skip that.
ये sentence भी सुना पड़ी किसी के मुंह से कि यार लड़के सब एक जैसे होते हैं and everything like that.
I was hoping it wasn't true.
Telling me the.
अच्छा, tell me before you became famous and stuff, Lahore is really famous for this. लड़के लड़कियों के पीछे मतलब गाड़ियों में full follow करते हैं, right? Have you ever followed a girl? Come on.
When I was in school, yeah.
Really?
I did, yeah. When I was in school, I did.
That is so fun.
Yeah, I used to do that. और मैं हम सारे लड़कों का पता था और we used to do it.
This is something a girl will never experience in her life.
हम लोग लड़कियां स्पेसिफिकली ढूंढते थे और उसके बाद से literally बाइक्स पे भी कभी
Did you ever throw your number?
नहीं, never.
Never throw your number?
Never.
Okay, but I guess the chase is what you're after mostly. And okay, tell me what's the one thing you find attractive when you look at a girl? What's the first thing you notice about her?
I think.
Without speaking to her. You haven't gotten to know her.
I think style.
Like the way she dresses, the way she walks.
I think I think there should be a thing that really expresses her the way she is.
Her personality.
Not the personality, one attribute. एक ऐसा attribute जो उसको वाकई बता रहा हो कि यार नहीं ये this girl is not like the other girls, right? And she's not after this thing and she's not looking for this thing, so she's not that.
Okay, so isn't it tougher being in a relationship because how do you know whether the girl's being honest or not?
I mean, you can always tell by the gestures, and you can always tell. All you have to do, you have to get the positive vibe out of her. That's it.
Would you ask a girl out? Would you rather the girl asks you out?
I would never ask her out.
See, I knew he was one of those boys who would never ask the girl out. You'd want the girl to ask you out?
Huh? No, that's fine. That's completely alright.
Okay, guys, have fun with this one.
As long as I mean, she's very honest and she is very sincere and everything. It depends. I mean,
no drama, Shama.
No drama, Shama. In fact, I really make friends for the purpose of getting something positive out of them. I don't go for the hanky-pankies and everything.
Woo! I like this conversation. You know what? This is as real as you'll ever see him. And much thanks, yaar. No, but we're also going to move on to a song. And when you guys come back, we have a really crazy fan experience. And of course, you guys get to win Atif's autographed T-shirts there for my show. I knew what I was saying. Okay, fine. I'm going to learn, and I swear when you come back, there will be something that's impressive over here, other than just me. No, okay, fine, okay. Abhi mujhe itni daat pitegi. You guys move on to the song, and when you come back, one final crazy fan story. Wow. I'm so going to learn an instrument or something. Achha, when you have kids, right, what's the one thing that you're going to make them learn?
इंसान का बच्चा बनाऊंगा उनको.
Okay, back of the topic, we also have giveaways for you guys, which I'm going to get in like exactly 3, 2, 1. Something. So that's fine. मैं तो एक करके करने लगी थी. It's T-shirts.
Cool.
Okay, which Atif is going to autograph for this one. ठीक है? He's going to have a question for each one of these T-shirts. So you guys, if you're hardcore fans, you get to win these, and if you're not, then too bad. Somebody else is winning them. अच्छा, इसके लिए हम by the way autograph हुई भी होंगी. Tell me what question do we ask them?
A question arises.
We have no idea what we're asking you right now.
मेरा पूरा नाम तो सबको पता है यार.
नहीं, पूरा नाम है. इतनी इजी वाली चीजें नहीं. Your mom वाला question.
नहीं.
अरे?
अच्छा, हाँ.
We made a full plan कि ये question होगा. अच्छा,
ठीक है. Okay. मेरी माँ मुझे किस नाम से बुलाती?
What's his mom's pet name for him? ठीक है? It could be so many things, but okay, whoever answers will get this one. And then for the second one. Okay, so then what are we asking for the second T-shirt?
For the second T-shirt.
Oh, your crazy fan story.
The crazy fan story.
The inbox. Okay. This is an inbox story. ठीक है, Atif, tell them the story. इस story को आप लोगों ने complete करना है.
Alright,
I asked him what's your craziest fan experience जो कभी आपके fan ने कभी किसी वक्त पे किया हो, so this is what he
it
said.
was my birthday और उस दिन जो है वो 3 लड़कियां बेसिकली मेरे घर के बाहर पहली दफा जो है वो बेसिकली बेल बजा के भागी और मैं बाहर गया तो मैंने देखा कोई भी नहीं था। दूसरी दफा दोबारा बेल हुई, मैंने दोबारा बाहर जाके देखा कोई भी नहीं था। मुझे पता था तीसरी दफा जरूर आएगा कोई ना कोई, इसलिए मैं पहले ही थोड़ा सा गेट के पास खड़ा हो गया था। तो जब तीसरी दफा बेल हुई तो मैंने कहा ओए, एंड शी वाज लाइक, उसने एक बेसिकली इतना सा बॉक्स था और वो बेसिकली फेंका था। तो
ठीक है, you guys have to guess.
बॉक्स में क्या था?
What is in the box? Okay, so this is almost an inbox story. जो correctly guess करेगा, otherwise I get to keep this t-shirt because I know what was in the box. So that's our second t-shirt. And our third one is to win Atif's guitar. No, I was lying. Don't look at me like that. I was just joking. सांस रोकी इसकी. अच्छा, so for this t-shirt, you guys have to answer के.
तुमने कुछ डिसाइड किया था कौन वाला? आई थिंक
हाँ, okay. तुमने आंसर ही बता दिया.
क्या?
Okay, Atif has a birthmark and you guys have to guess where it is. Be creative, you guys. I'm waiting for the answers for this. You watch मुझे क्या अजीब गरीब आंसर लगते हैं. Box में क्या है and where is his birthmark? Okay. So I've decided what he's going to now teach me is I want you to say a goodbye message to all your fans.
ओए, सारे इंसान बन जाओ और मेरी बात याद रखो, मेरे बारे में कमेंट करने की बजाय ना पहले ना इसके बारे में कमेंट किया करो। नहीं मेरे बारे में मेरे लिए कमेंट करने से पहले ये जरूर सोच लिया करो कि मुझे कैसा लगेगा और यू नो उस बात को बिलीव मत किया करो जो लोग कहते हैं। राइट, लोग हमेशा से बातें करते हैं, लोग हमेशा से बोलते रहते हैं, बट यू नो मैं बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ और मैं बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करता रहूंगा। आई मिस से, और मैं गाता हूँ तुम लोगों के लिए, म्यूजिक बनाता हूँ, सो यू नो दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू डू। आई डोंट हैव एनी मीन्स, दैट्स इट।
जितनी लड़कियां बेहोश हो गई आप उठ के बैठ जाए।
नहीं यार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी, थैंक यू सो मच क्रू, बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब लोगों का, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर। और थैंक यू ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, एक जो आखिरी बात रह गई थी, ठीक है, वो ये थी कि शी इज बीन सपोर्टिंग मी और शी इज बीन देयर फॉर एवरी अदर शो। मेरे कॉन्सर्ट पे भी काफी दफा आ चुकी हुई है एंड एवरीथिंग, और बेसिकली शी नोज मच अबाउट मी, सो यू नो जो मेरे बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देती है, ठीक है, अभी तक it's very right, it's very good, and I really thank her for that she's really doing a good job.
Thank you. I'm so shy, I'm going to die of embarrassment, but I hope you guys are going to
मैं गाना सिखाता हूँ ना दोबारा।
चाहत ऐसी है ये तेरी बढ़ती जाए, वाट ऐसी है ये तेरी मुझको सताए।
और जी बहुत शुक्रिया एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू, टेक केयर।